Alright everybody, today's fucking what the fuck's today? Wednesday. Let can I show this? Doesn't fucking matter. Let's see what the market wants to do today. We have a fat bearish S&T. I'm not even gonna fucking mark it though. We are still respecting this daily fair value gap. We what? Options builder? What the fuck did that say? Oh, you could create I got whatever. I don't know what the fuck that is. Anyway, we don't. So the only 4 hour bearish gap is right there, which I think we did disrespect, but we have this one. We also disrespect. So we have this 4 hour fair value gap, a little one, but we are still respecting it. We have FOMC at, I think it's at 2 o'clock. My fucking God. Yeah, there we go. So we have FOMC. This is still, oh no, this disrespected. Okay, let me scale it down a little bit more. What do we have? We, price opened up over here, created this imbalance, we respected it, and are heading lower. Okay, chat. Not gonna lie, I think I want to be bearish. Price is creating bearish fair value gaps and are respecting them. Yeah, I'm disrespecting bullish ones, so. Asians high. We'll mark it out in case, I'm wrong and we want to go higher, but that's not what there. And then London's high. And then what? So if you're shorting, what are you gonna target? We have these hourly lows down there, and then we have 4 hour lows down here. So if you're gonna look for shorts, you would target these areas. Okay. So market opens in about 30 minutes. Is this an hourly fair value gap? Yeah. Did we get a 5 minute change in the state yet? We did. This is a nice short at 8 o'clock. You would have entered around there, stops. I probably would have done here. Actually, I would have done there. Targets or whatever. This was a nice trade. I just wasn't around for it. But we created a 15-minute fair value gap here. I am going to mark it. I could delete the hourly fair value gap too, I'm not going to lie. Let's see if this fair value gap holds, because this fair value gap formed after sticking out this low. So if we are going to continue lower, we should respect it. And we have a 30-minute fair value gap though as well. And all these 5 minutes and shit. So I want to see this fair value gap hold. And the change in the state would be down there. And then you can maybe wait for an inverse, and then your stops would be something. You would put it around there, and then targets are down there. So bias is shorts, or bias is bearish for as of right now. We're gonna see, how price moves when New York opens. We don't have any AM news. We have PM news. We have FOMC meeting minutes. So price might be a little wonky, but we're gonna sit here and see what price wants to do. So I'm gonna see you guys when I take a trade. Alright, what's up everybody? Little recap. I haven't taken a trade yet on the combine. I just want to point out we have ES here on the right, Nasdaq on the left. Nasdaq is moving like we do want to go lower. I mean, we're creating and or we're respecting bearish gaps. We inverse this hourly gap, which is nice and everything. But if you look on ES from open, which was here, we we're just in a 7 point range. Like this is the 5 minute chart. It's literally moving sideways on ES. Like if this was Nasdaq, I would not look to trade. However, you go to Nasdaq and we are moving down, right? And we have this 5 minute fair value gap that we tapped into, and we got a nice reaction. Wasn't too bad. Um, we did inverse this little 2 minute or this little 2 minute bullish. We did inverse this one, and we did inverse this 1 minute. But for some reason, there's something about this that I don't like. Like I don't like how ES is not doing the same thing. Like, did ES already hit these lows? These ones? No, it's got nowhere fucking close. It's got a lot of room here. But for some reason, I don't like taking these shorts right now. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like um I don't like these shorts. Like the best entry would have been we inversed it up here, traded back within it. I mean your best entry was here. And your stop loss is literally like a little bit above it. And your targets are down in it. It's just these 15 minute. I'm actually gonna mark out this one. But it's these 15 minute lows, right? Now, this probably does work, but I don't like the way we're moving. Let's see if we end up getting stopped out, but I didn't take it. I just wanted to come on here and say that I haven't taken anything yet. It's 10:30. And yeah, I mean, there was a short you could have done up here, 9:30. Like this was the only trade of the day, but I was making breakfast, so I didn't see this. But it would have been something like this. And I had a profit set somewhere. It might have, oh, it was these lows here at 160.75. So like around here for about 40 points. And it kind of delivered somewhat nicely. Take some off there and then hold the rest. And you probably would have been, like if I actually took this, I would have made 1500 probably. I actually don't know why I didn't take this. Like I took a short here on the practice account, got stocked out, and then I think I took another one somewhere here, and I got stopped out. Or I moved my stops to break even, and I got stopped. I think it was actually like around here. But this was the only trade so far. But I wasn't around for this because I was like, let me wait a few minutes before or into market open to see what price wants to do. Like if I was in the short right now, I would probably de-risk a lot. Like I would take like if I was in this with 15, I would take out 10, and I would just leave 5 to go like right here, and this would just be like a practice trade. Not gonna lie, because I don't have a lot of faith in coming down there right now. But anyway, so that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna go to class in probably like 10 minutes, and I might actually just end up taking a PM trade. So. And if I do, I'll update you guys, but we'll see. My chat, we're back. It's 3 o'clock. Um, I didn't take a trade because uh, I was looking for shorts around here, and I don't want to say I missed this, but The only trade that was nice that I would have taken and should have taken was this short up here. This fair value gap. I should have taken this. Even stopped up there was pretty nice. But this is a pretty nice stop. Like this was the best trade. I need to stop like saying this was the best trade and actually take these fucking trades. But this was the only trade that I liked. Everything else here I did not like. I'm kind of just looking at price also for the first time. There was definitely though like some opportunity. This inverse worked out. That inverse worked out. Took out these on SMT. Yeah. So I mean, you could have done some shit, but I got Johnny's strategy about the higher time frame for value having tapped into, and then like a 15-minute or whatever change in state, whatever bullshit. That thing, like I get so focused on looking for that I miss out on other shit. But I mean, it worked out here right at market open for shorts. But overall, I just said I didn't like how price was moving. I didn't like how price was moving. We have FOMC minutes at 2 o'clock, or we had it. And then Trump is speaking at 5, apparently. So I'm alright with not taking a trade today. It's not something no more. So we're gonna come back tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Thursday? That's the wrong button. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. So I think for the rest of the week we're pretty good on news. Like we just have 8:30 news on Thursday should be a good day. And so should Friday. So we'll see. I'm gonna see you guys fucking tomorrow. And I need like $3,000. I mean, I think I could pass the account in 2 days, but whatever. We're gonna see what happens. Um, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. LOL. But I'm really gonna try taking a trade without thinking about recording it and then just coming back either when I'm in the trade or when the trade has happened. Because ever since I started this YouTube shit, my trading has taken a fucking beating. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.